Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting the tools ready. Open Chrome or Edge and install a reliable TTS extension that lets you choose the playback voice. Once done, make sure your operating system or cloud voices are installed or accessible. This gives you more voice choices than the Translate page alone. Next, open Google Translate in a tab and select the language and dialect you want. Make sure the extension has permission to read page text. That permission is essential for the voice switch to work. Now you configure the extension to override Translate's default playback. In the extension settings, choose the engine, local OS voices, SAPI, or a Google Cloud/text-to-speech API if you have credentials. Then pick the specific voice, adjust rate and pitch, and save a profile so you can reuse it quickly. Once configured, highlight the translated text on the Google Translate page or paste it into the extension and press play. You'll hear the selected voice. Because the extension reads the page, finish by creating a small workflow. Assign a keyboard shortcut or context menu command in the extension so you can read translations instantly. Save voice profiles per language to switch quickly and consider cloud voices when you need more natural options. If it doesn't work, make sure the extension has page access, reload the Translate tab, and restart the browser. That fixes most permission or caching issues. If still blocked, confirm the extension supports secure pages and that no other audio extension is conflicting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.